Welcome to the SafeCheck Advanced Food Safety Training Program presented by Canadian Food Safety Group. Canadian Food Safety Group is committed to offering quality training that will encourage you to practice safe food principles both at work and at home. Thinking about data as a storytelling opportunity does not mean you simply tack once upon a time at the beginning, and they all lived happily ever after at the end. There are 3 principles that will help you shape your data into an actionable story. The Kong story starts like a lot of great stories, with the bond between a humble, problem-solving man and his special dog. The year was 1976, and Joe Markham was a loving but puzzled pet parent to Fritz, a rock-munching German shepherd. True or false? Contracts between the MAO and its providers must specify the prompt payment regulatory requirement. Here are some helpful tips to get you started with your gentle birth mindfulness training. Sit up straight so you won't fall asleep. Hands comfortably in your lap. For new employees that are regularly employed, that is non-seasonal, benefit eligibility is on the first of the month following 30 days of service. If you were previously working at a temporary status and convert to regular employment, you will be benefit eligible the first of the month following your change of status, assuming the 30-day service requirement is already met. How do I check my past neck posture? First, we will take a look at the Alex app's home screen. If you touch the black circle, you can check your hourly posture for the selected day.